So take this blue dot and find the very next key higher from C. Now I want to warn you that sometimes it might be a black key and sometimes it might be a white key, but I want the very next key higher. Yes. Okay, so next key higher from F. You're not going to make any mistakes, are you? Okay, next key higher from B. Very next key higher. Now I did say that it had to be a black key. Aha! Very good. Sometimes it's a white key and sometimes it's a black key, right? Very next key higher from E. Good. Now let's do next key lower. Next key lower from A. Ah, it is a black note, right? Very good. Okay, very next key lower from, how about G? It's not wanting to stick there. Exactly. Next key lower from C. It's the very next key higher. And I want you to put another tag there. Excellent. Now, I wonder if we can play these. Tiny distance, but it's definitely higher. Okay, now try it on the next one. Can you hear that sound going higher? The tiniest little bit. How do we name this key? What's the name we give it? A. This key we name A sharp. Because it's the very next key higher. Okay, now this one is E. And what do we name this one?
This is F sharp.
Very good. What's the, did you know that this is E and this is E sharp? E sharp has another name. What's another name for this key that you already know?
F.
F. Audrey, I have a picture up here. Do you see this? That's the symbol for sharp. Next, you find the very next key lower. Excellent. Now play those pairs on your next key lower. Now, the fancy musical term that we give that is, this is an A, and this is an A flat. When we talk about the next key lower, we use the name flat, because it needs a different name. Sharp means the next key higher. Flat means the next key lower.
Yeah, I know.
Right? Okay, now, so what would we give this name? This is an E.
Then E flat.
E flat. This is a C. And this is a...
That's B sharp. B flat.
Oh, not quite. Very next key lower. So this is C, and this is C flat. What's another name for C flat? Every key has at least two names. So we could call it a C flat. Now, do you want to see the picture for flat?
Yeah.
Flip that over. A sharp kind of looks like a number sign. What does it remind you of? Oh yeah, isn't that interesting? It kind of looks like a half note. How's it different from a half note?
Half notes are like that.
Yeah,
And they're like, that's thicker than that.
yeah, what good ways. So now you really know the difference, right? Ready?
What are you?
Okay, now you have to find the matches. What is the other name for A sharp, Audrey? Let's find it. Come over here and look. A sharp. What's the other name for that?
B flat.
B flat. So you've got to find B flat. Ah, there you go. You found it. Put it next to A sharp. Okay, pick another.
Why is this one just B?
Oh, well, white keys can have two names too.
I know.
Where's B? Oh, that's not a B. No?
Sharp. I have to find B sharp.
Oh. C is the same name as B sharp. if we take C and we put a flat on it?
B flat. Oh yeah, there's B flat.
Okay, so hold on, let's look at this again. What's the next key lower from C? B. So another name for this is C flat. Mm-hmm. There you go. Find another one.
D sharp.
D sharp. Play it on the piano. And lastly, let's see if you're right. If you've done them all correct, Audrey, you should end up with those being the same.
C sharp. D.
You got it. Very good.